everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I did a makeup tutorial for those of you who have very dry skin. So let's get started. If you have very dry and flaky skin, you need to make sure your skin is really hydrated and moisturized before you put on makeup. I would suggest to put on a very hydrating and moisturizing mask before sleeping. You can put any sleeping mask or a sheet mask. I like these two right here. This is the Innisfree Aloe Vera Sleeping Mask, and this is just some aloe vera gel from the face shop. They both are really good. What I do is I put on a thick layer of it before I go to sleep, and I wake up with really soft and moisturized skin. You can also use any moisturizer that you have. Just put on a thick layer of it before sleeping, and that's it. Now before applying makeup, you need to again moisturize your face. For that you can use a face oil or a moisturizer or a combination of both. Today I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is from Garnier. It's really good for dry skin. I'm going to put a lot of it. Don't forget your neck. I'm also applying some lip balm. I'm going to let the moisturizer sit into my skin. Till then I'm going to do my eyebrows. For that I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Brunette. Now that my moisturizer has completely set into my skin, I'm going to use a foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228. If you have really dry skin, you need to make sure not to use a very matte foundation. Try to use a dewy foundation. This one is not dewy, but it's not very matte either. It's kind of like in middle. You can mix your oil with your foundation for a really dewy effect. I'm going to dot this foundation all over my face. I'm going to mix oil in my foundation. I'm using the Argan oil from Nykaa. You can use any face oil like tea tree oil or rosehip oil. Face oils are really beneficial for your skin, and plus they are natural. Now I'm going to blend it all in with a beauty blender. Try not to use a foundation brush for your foundation because it can be really harsh for your skin. If you have dry skin, a beauty blender is really great. A brush can make your skin look more flaky, and a beauty blender kind of just absorbs the extra foundation and makes your skin look really smooth. Also stay away from really full coverage foundation because they can end up looking really cakey. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to put it under my eyes. I'm again blending it all out with a beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is damp, it's not dry. You don't have to apply powder all over your face because it's going to make your face dry, but you need to set your concealer. So I'm just going to use the powder under my eyes where I put the concealer. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40. You can even use the loose powder. I'm just going to take a little bit of the powder on my beauty blender. I'm going to lightly pat under my eyes. Now I am a dry skin type, but I get little oily in my T-zone, so I'm just going to put a little powder there. You can skip this part if your T-zone is dry too. I'm going to do a very simple eye makeup today, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm using this shade Amethyst right here. I'm just applying it in my crease. Now I'm going to put this shade Twilight over here on my lid. So I'm going to put some Kajal. This is the Nykaa eyemBOLD Kajal. After applying the foundation and oil, if you still feel your skin is very dry, you can go in with some face mist. I like to use M.A.C Fix Plus. This step is totally optional. Do it only if you feel like it. Then I'm applying some mascara, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. First I'm applying a lash primer which comes with it. Now putting the mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm gonna put on some lashes and be right back. For my bronzer, I'm using the Huda bronzer by Benefit. If you have a cream bronzer or cream blush or cream highlighter or any makeup product, they would work great too, but since I don't have them, I'm just going to use powder bronzer. Then I'm going to use a powder blush from the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette. You can also apply your blush with a beauty blender if you have extremely dry skin. Then I'm going to use the highlighter from the same Makeup Revolution Iconic palette. Also putting a little bit on my nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm removing the excess lip balm. Using the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Trendsetter, kind of overlining my lips. For the lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Mattelicious lipstick in the shade Lacy Love. Then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lip strobe in the shade Snobby. Finally, I'm just going to spritz some Fix Plus on my face. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.